Hello everyone, today I will have you study the new lesson, Unit 8. I could like a melon, Lesson 5, Skill Times. The first part is reading. Listen, point, and repeat. Sauce, mushrooms, pastry, garlic, bean sprouts. Listen again. Sauce, mushrooms, pastry, garlic, bean sprouts. Now listen, point, and repeat. Now move on to next part, please. What food can you see in the picture below? Look at the pictures. You can see some kinds of food here, like some onion, some mushrooms, some sauce made from fish, some bean sprouts, some pastry, and you can see some chicken here too. Now let's listen and read my favorite dish. It's okay, everyone. And now you have to listen and answer the question. You read again and write true or false for question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I gives you the meaning of my favorite dish here. So you can say it. If you don't know how to translate to Vietnamese, I show you some meaning here. Try to get it. And now is the last part. You have to read again and write true or false. The first one, you need some noodles. Look at the pictures and you read again to answer your question here. Number 2, you need some chicken. Let's have a look, please. And you can say it. True or false. And number 3, you need some mushrooms. You said true or false. And number 4, you cook the pastry in the pot. True or false. And number 5, you fry the chicken in a pan. True or false. And number 6, you put everything under the pastry. True or false. Try your best to do it and you have to check the answer. The first one has done already. You need some noodles. Of course, when you make this dish, you have to need some noodles. And second one, you need some chicken. You can look at the picture. You see some meat from the chicken. Right. And number 3, you need some mushrooms. Of course, we need some mushroom. And number 4, you cook the pastry in the pot. False. We just cook mushroom and some bean sprout in the pot. We don't cook the pastry in the pot. So this question is a false. And number 5, you fry the chicken in the pan. That's right. True. And the last question, you put everything under pastry. Under pastry, you see? No, it's not correct because in this dish we have to put everything on the pastry, not under pastry. So it's a false. It's okay, everyone? Now, we have the workbook, please. Open the workbook page 58. The first part, we have to move on to reading. Number 1, circle the words and write. Now, look at the pictures and then write down the correct words, please. Number 1 is pastry. It's a pastry. You see, number 1 is for example. And number 2, bean sprouts. Number 3, garlic or garlic. And number 4, sauce. And number 5, mushrooms. Check the answer, please, and write down in the workbook, page 58. And now move on to next part. 2. Listen to the woman planning a shopping trip. Before listening, you have to look at the text here, please. The question 1. Why does the woman need to buy extra food? Number 2. What is the most important ingredient in the cake? And number 3. Why does she need more milk? And number 4. What is the food she doesn't make? Now listen, please. Now fill in the correct circle. The first one is 1C. And number 2, 1C, number 2, B. And number 3, A. And number 4, C. Check your answer, please. That's all everyone today we have done. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you for your attention and see you next time